Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share this new content of you for you guys. So to be honest, I haven't actually watched this series that much because I just thought that Fabiola and Eve's storyline was too short in season 1. So I didn't know if I was gonna continue watching it. I just felt like I didn't get enough camera time. But then I was watching the reviews of season 2 and they actually said that Fabiola and Eve got more camera time, so I decided to give it another shot. So basically, if you don't know, Never Have I Ever season 2 dropped, and there are actually currently 10 episodes available on Netflix. So if anyone are interested in watching, you can go watch it on Netflix. To be honest, at the beginning of season 2, it was kind of a little bit slow for Fabiola and Eve. Even though I'm just one thing I have to point out, I like the fact that Fabiola, she actually came out on season 1 to her mother, so that's something good that I liked about it. In the beginning of season 2, Fabiola and Eve's storyline was a little bit slow. The first couple of episodes, they only got like 1 minute, maybe 45 seconds of camera time, and I was like, I don't know, I'm not feeling it. But as I continue watching the show, in the middle of the show, maybe say episode 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, they started getting more camera time because they were running for Cricket Queens, and Fabiola finally introduced Eve to her mom. She was so afraid to introduce Eve to her mom because her mom, she was very weird about her coming out, so it was making her feel a little bit uncomfortable, But later on, Eve and her mom, they got along super well, and and Fabiola was just like, she was worried for nothing, because her mom was super 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 cool when she met Eve. And after that, they run for Cricket Queens in high school, and they actually won. So they were actually the first queer couple to win this competition in the high school. So that was a big step for them, and I'm really happy that the director decided to go with this direction of their storyline, even though they didn't get a lot of camera time. But I still feel like the storyline was very important to show difference, and and just show that something new, not every time the regular than what we're all used to. So I'm really happy that they won the crowns, and Eve looks so good, like with the black dress that she wore when they actually won. And of course, Fabiola, she had the suit on, but later on she changed the suit because she was going through a breakdown, because she was losing her robotic squad, because she was trying to fit in so hard into the LGBT community. And then she got the advice from this guy that said, the most important thing is for you to come out and to make you feel comfortable with who you are. You don't have to be perfect, and then after that, she started feeling more comfortable with herself, because Fabiola, she was feeling like she was trying so hard to fit in, and she was losing sight of who she really is, like for example with the robotic team. She really loves robotics, and and she felt like she was cutting that off because she was trying too hard to fit into the LGBT community. And after that, like I mentioned previously, a friend spoke to her, and they cleared up things, and they end up winning the queer, the competition for the Cricket Queens. And yes, and Eve was so supportive to her and said like, I love you, I don't care if you try to fit in, you're not supposed to fit in, you're just supposed to be you, I love you for who you are. And after that, it was all good, and then that's actually where it stopped. I'm really happy for the fact that they got more camera time by the end. So yeah guys, that's basically it.